Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up the fingerprint unlock on DELL Latitude 5420. To set it up, go to Settings, then go to Accounts. Now, scroll down to find Sign In options. Now, select Fingerprint Recognition and click on Setup. Now click on Get Started and enter your account PIN. Then touch the fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor is located on the power button. Now lift it and repeat until it gets everything done. Remember to move your finger between each scan so it scans the whole area of your fingerprint. And now I'm set. You can also add another finger. I'm gonna close it and now I'm gonna lock the screen. Now if I want to unlock it, I should be able to just place the finger on the fingerprint sensor and it's in. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.